What is NAD+? How does NAD+ work? NAD is a molecular or coenzyme found in every cell in your body. The part of the NAD coenzyme that performs important functions is known as NAD+. NAD+ has two important roles to help protein regulate the functions in your cells and to turn nutrients into energy. The process of converting food to energy is what helps you stay alive. NAD+ support all the crucial functions in your cells, affecting your sleeping and waking cycles, your neurological health, and the health of your vital organs. As people grow older, their level of NAD+ naturally decrease. Stress on the body and mind may cause NAD+ levels to decline even further. Low NAD+ level increase your risk for many health conditions like heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and type 2 diabetes. What is NMN? How does NMN work? NMN is a circular molecule that considered a precursor to NAD+. This means NMN will chemically transform into NAD+ in your cells. When you think about NMN versus NAD+, remember that those two molecules work together to metabolize energy in your cells. After NMN is absorbed into your bloodstream, it converts into NAD+. Then the NAD+ is stopped in your muscles and viral organs, helping them function in peak condition. One of the fastest ways to stimulate your body NAD+ production is to increase level of NMN. This is evidence that NMN's boost to NAD level may be able to improve health in the heart, liver, muscles, and kidneys, and even slow down the progression of diabetes and Alzheimer's. Beyond their role in making NAD+, NMN molecules have their own health benefits. NMN supplements can aid your body's insulin production and glucose tolerance. They have positive effects on overall metabolism as well. NMN supplements are the easiest way to rise NMN levels. Low volume of NMN are also found in certain foods like broccoli, avocado, cucumber, and cabbage. But remember, it's very low volume of NMN. Okay, NMN versus NAD. How do they compare? Both NMN and NAD+ are significant products of energy in your body. So they are different molecules. NAD+ and NMN have many chemical elements in common. Most importantly, your body needs NMN to create NAD+. You cannot have one without the other. There are a few differences between NMN and NMN. For example, NMN is more easily absorbed into the bloodstream, but NAD+ may have a stronger effect on your brain and mental health. NMN may have a stronger effect on your physical health. When taken as a supplement, each molecule can elevate level of NAD+, making up for the NAD+ you lose as you age. Some way your body and mind may benefit after NAD plus or NMN treatment include greater muscle mass and more lean muscle, health hormone levels in your throat, improved joint functions, improved cognitive abilities and memory, and more regulated sleeping and walking cycles. You may also find your mind is clear, you are more alert and energetic, and your stress level are reduced. So NAD plus and NMN cannot reverse aging. These supplements can benefit your health and well-being as you age.